SLS Machinery Company Limited is specialized in manufacturing cost-effective pipe processing production lines and pipe processing machines, like pipe bending machine, pipe cutting machine, pipe end forming machine, pipe swaging machine, pipe embossing machine, pipe chamfering machine, pipe sealing machine, and other automated pipe processing machines range from simple to complex CNC-powered ones. Professional engineers not only to be grown with offering a complete, one-stop solution in the pipe processing sector, and the market demand, but as passionate on growing and developing our machines. All starts from small details. All proved by our machines. SLS leads success. Here are some of our machines' demonstration. Our pipe bending machine range from NC to full electrical CNC ones. Conventional CNC bending machine, multi-stacked bending machine added with rolling or booster function, full electrical left and right head bending machine to meet your different kinds of bending requirements. Pipe bending machine create value for our customers in applications of automotive parts, marine, shipbuilding, furniture industry, boiler industry, vehicle industry, and many more, by providing solutions which maximize the quality and production efficiency. Automatic pipe cutting machine, with function of manual loading, automatic servo motor feeding, and automatic hydraulic cutting. Multi-heads pipe cutting machine with function of automatic magazine loading, automatic multi-heads pipe cutting, automatic pipe deburring and unloading. Fully automatic pipe cutting production line provides a continuous process of extracting workpiece from the magazine loader, fast delivery and accurate cutting, deburring, forming and washing. This kind of pipe cut-off machine brings time saving as well as higher output and performance. Together with control system, touchscreen and servo motor feeding, tube cutting line offers precision, versatility and stability, which is the most popular and in demand when you want high-quality equipment for cutting tubes and profiles, etc. This automatic pipe cutting line can be added with other functions as pipe chamfering, pipe length detection and any others. The new full automatic pipe swaging machine with bundle magazine loader brings you the latest technology in tube swaging systems. The machine provides a continuous process of extracting the workpiece from the storage store, fast delivery and accurate swaging. It brings time saving as well as higher output and performance. Pipe square machine is used for forming round tube into square or rectangle tube. It is popular work together with swaging machine for chair and table legs making. Pipe embossing machine is a special kind of pipe cold forming machine. Tubes will be embossed by the different dies to form it into the desired shape. Automatic chamfering machine can be chosen as single head or double head as well as driven by hydraulic or pneumatic. Chamfering process can be finished at one time in fast speed and accurate chamfering requirement. Clamp device and knife holder are precisely designed for ensure the center line between workpiece and knife holder at the same level. Pipe sealing machine is a machine for closing the ends of copper, aluminum, stainless steel or steel tubes. Pipe hole punching and flanging machine is specially designed for punching collar holes on metal tubes as MS, SS, copper and aluminum. Machine adopts extrude system, forming collars by pushing out from tube inside, which is different to T-drill technology. Thanks for watching our demonstration video. We are a comprehensive group company, which provides leading technology, leading quality and leading service on pipe processing machines serving on the world. For more information, contact us.